Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of my guided workout series. Today we have a kickboxing workout video for you guys. This is going to be composed of 14 different exercises, which we'll be performing for 60 seconds apiece. There will be no rest today. This is going to be a challenge. Let's go ahead and get right into it. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and get ready to start. For the first exercise, we're going to do a jogging in place. First two exercises are going to help us get warmed up. Let's go ahead and get ready to start. We're going to begin in a nice light jog. Let's go ahead and move light on our feet. Moving nice and light, keeping our head and our chest up. We focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We're in a nice light jog for the first 60 seconds here. Take this at your own pace. As I mentioned, the first two moves here are going to help us get warmed up. We're going to have a couple of seconds left of this move, and we're going to be moving forward to jumping rope in 20 seconds. For now, we continue to move nice and light on our feet, keeping our head and our chest up as we move. Getting our arms involved, and we're getting ready to switch to our jump rope. Here we go. We're moving nice and light on our feet, jumping with both feet simultaneously. Getting our calves warmed up. Moving those wrists with coordination with our imaginary jump rope. Bending our knees as we land, helping us absorb that shock and protecting our knees. And we continue to keep our head and our chest up. We have 20 seconds left here, and we're going to be moving forward to our first combination of punches, which are going to be straights and jabs. We have 10 seconds left of this move. Here we go. Getting ready into our fighter stance. We go right and left. Jab and straight. Jab, straight. We go left and right. Keeping our hands up. Standing nice and strong in our fighter stance. Delivering nice clean punches between left and right. Keeping our hands up, our head up, and we focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We have 15 seconds left here. We're going to be moving forward to a speed bag punch combination. Here we go. Getting ready to switch in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're staying in our fighter stance, sending our arms up, getting those shoulders in action, moving those hands as we punch our imaginary speed bag, focusing here on punches 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can bring them in to a combination once we're ready. Otherwise, we can try 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue moving with control until you can variate a 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we can perhaps flow into a nice combination of speed bag punches. We have about 5 seconds left here. And we're getting ready to go into an alternating hook combination. Here we go. Coming into a fighter stance, we're going left hook, right hook. And an alternation between left and right. Delivering nice, clean hook punches, keeping our head and our chest up. We focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Keeping our core engaged. Finding a nice strong fighter stance. We move between right and left alternating hooks. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to be going into a cross-body knee raise with our left hand side, incorporating a bit of kickboxing in here. Here we go, 5 seconds left of our hooks. And here we go. We're going to stand up nice and straight. Hands come up, left knee comes up. Meeting at the center. Exhale to get that knee up. Inhale to return. Slight bend on the right knee. Helps you with your balance here. Focusing on our balance. We keep our core engaged. Focus on your breath. And move with control. We have 20 seconds left of this cross-body knee raise. We're taking it next to an alternating uppercut variation. Exhale to get that knee up. Last couple of seconds. We're getting ready to switch to an alternating uppercut. Come back to your fighter stance. We go right, left, uppercut, uppercut. Nice strong punches. As we're feeling a little more warmed up, we can move with a little more coordination and a little more speed. Focus on your form. Nice clean uppercuts. We have 20 seconds left here. I'm going to be switching it back to a cross-body knee raise. Here we go, last couple of seconds. Here we go, right side. We're switching it up. Getting that knee raise to the right. Going up as we exhale. Inhale to return. Move with control. Focus on your balance. A slight bend on that left knee here will help you, as well as keeping your core engaged. In we breathe, out we go. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're bringing it into a fighter squat. Here we go. Last couple of seconds. Watch me for this transition. We're coming down on a squat. We're going left, and we're going right. Focus on sending your booty back. Keep those hands up. Squat down and come up to the side. Right, squat, come up left. Squat, come up right. Squat. You can tell here, we're squatting and coming between left and right. Keeping our fighter stance nice and strong and our core engaged. We move for the last 15 seconds of this move. And then we're moving over to inchworms next for a variation with some punches. Here we go. Getting ready to switch into inchworms. Meet me at the top of the mat. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Inchworm down. High plank. And return. Right, left, inchworm down into a high plank. Neck and spine are neutral. Core is engaged, and we return. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inchworm. Neck and spine are neutral, core engaged, and we come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. We have a couple of seconds left in this move, and we're going to be taking it into a sit-up with punch variation. Inchworms. Punches, right, left. Inchworm down and stay down. Here we go. Turn it around. We're coming in for some sit-ups. Here we go. Legs extend, we sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale and sit back. Exhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale back. 3, 4. Inhale through your nose as you sit back. Exhale through your mouth as you sit up. And we punch. 4 times, and we sit back. Right, left, and we sit back. Here we go. Right, left, sit back, and sit up. Right, left. Here we go, last couple of seconds of this move, and we're taking it to a Russian twist with punch variations. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Go ahead and sit on up and lean it back. We're going to go ahead into a Russian twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, sit back. Keep your core engaged. Rotate to your left, rotate right, rotate left, rotate right, and sit back up. Right, left, and repeat. Keep your neck and your spine neutral here. Focus on your core engagement. Sit back, rotate left, and right, and sit back up. Punch right, left, and we sit back. Russian twists. Getting our obliques involved here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit back up. And repeat. Here we go. Let's go ahead and take it up. Let's stand up for these last 2 rounds of exercises. We're going to go ahead and bring our heart rate back down. Let's get into a nice light jog. Keeping our hands up. Keeping our hands moving. Focus on bringing your heart rate back down. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Move nice and light on your toes. And keep your head and your chest up. We're bringing down the intensity, we're bringing down the speed, and we're coming into a cool down. Find your breath and bring it down. Bring your heart rate down. Here we go. Let's go ahead and jump rope for the next 60 seconds. Moving nice and light here. Skipping between left and right. We continue breathing. Moving with coordination, we bring our heart rate down. And we finish skipping rope for the last 30 seconds of our workout today. Keep your head and your chest up. You guys did fantastic today. You should be very proud of yourselves. Let's finish up nice and strong. Ending smart with a cool down. Gotta learn to slow it down. And my friends, that concludes today's workout. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.